If you tie a rope to a bucket and toss it into a well, then flick your wrist to swing the rope so the bucket tilts, water will flow in. That's the simplest way to draw water. But hauling up a full bucket takes real strength and not everyone can manage it. To make things easier, you can set up 2 wooden stands beside the well, find a sturdy log, carve a hole straight through its center, insert a wooden rod as an axle, and mount it on the stands. Attach a handle to one end of the log, turning it into a lever that multiplies your strength. Wrap the rope around the log, and when you loosen the handle, the bucket will drop into the well by gravity. Once it fills, simply turn the handle in the opposite direction, and you can lift a full bucket of water with ease. This is the wheel and axle principle. The larger the wheel radius, the less force needed to turn the axle. But even this method is inefficient, and elderly people or children may find it unsafe to operate. What you need now is a safer and faster way to draw water. You start with a metal cylinder, cut an opening at the top for the outlet, and attach a pipe at the bottom that reaches down into the well. Inside the cylinder is a piston that moves up and down, connected to a long handle above. Both the inlet at the bottom and the valve above the piston have one-way flaps that only open upward. Before drawing water, you pour a ladle of clean water into the cylinder to improve the piston seal. This is called priming. When you press the handle downward, the piston lifts upward, creating a low pressure zone beneath it. Atmospheric pressure forces well water up the pipe, pushing open the inlet valve. When you raise the handle, the piston moves downward, compressing the air inside. The inlet valve closes, preventing the water from flowing back down, while the upper one-way valve opens to release pressure for the next cycle. With each repeated push and pull, the piston pumps well water higher and higher until the cylinder fills. Finally, water flows smoothly out of the spout, completing the process. Congratulations, you have invented the hand-operated water pump. Today water flows at the touch of a tap, and these old tools have quietly faded from daily life.